Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your cabin air filter. This is Range Rover. It's a supercharged. It's a 2010. This procedure should apply from 2010 to 2013. So let's begin it. So I got myself this cabin air filter. Let me just take it out for you guys to see it. So this is how it looks like. For those ones who need the part number, I'll just link it on the description below, and maybe the price at this time of recording. Alright, so this is our cabin air filter. So let's begin the work. So first things first, you pop the hood just like that, and once it opens up, we open up our engine area. So just let it go up like that, and then once it's all the way, you come right over here is where our cabin air filter is going to be. So this thing is being locked by right here, kind of like locking hooks and stuff, locking stuff. So what you do, you push them down, you push them down, you push them down, you push them down right over here, and then you just bring this thing like this. You pop it up to come from the front like this. This thing is going to pop like that, and then this is going to expose our the cabin filter, which has already been there. So those who wish to get the number, there's the part number right over there. And then what you do, you just pull it out. So you just hold it to the side, you just pull from the side. So you can try using this thing to pull like this, but if you have a problem pulling it out, you just find something like the hook like this, and then you can just hook it out like that. And then once this thing comes like that, and then gives you enough space, then you just pull it out like that. And this thing just comes out all the way you see it right here, and then make sure you get it out like out all the way. Alright, this thing is out. So this is our old cabin air filter. So we put this on the side. So we get a new one. This is our new one. So we get it out. So once you've taken out the cover, you just good to go. So you can install in any direction. This thing just fits in one fits all. So what you do, you just come over here, you just pop like that, and then you can just align it on both sides, just like that. Alright. Yes, align like that, and then just push it all the way in. Make sure it goes all the way in. Should be able just to lock in right there. Then when this thing gets all in, you just lock it, just like that. And this thing is just going to lock from all these areas, and then you should be good to go. Alright, thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, enjoy, have a nice drive out there, and stay safe. Alright, bye bye.